All right, guys, so the next one, this is a really cool vehicle. This is a Slat Grille. You can see right here, we've got the slats on this grill. So this is a very early MB. So what's really cool about this guy's collection is that he names each vehicle. Each vehicle has its own information, name, so that he can remember exactly where it came from, the story behind it, and so forth. Look at this date, guys. 11/24/41. That's 2 weeks prior to Pearl Harbor. That's how old this MB is. Really cool slat grill. All pristine and restored. So there's a lot of differences between the slat grill and the later style where it didn't have the slat, it had the stamping. And there's a cool story behind that, which we'll show on a couple other vehicles. So in this slat grill, you've got brass tags or brass data plates instead of the aluminum. Let's see if I can get in here. Let me walk around. Okay, we're back in here. I went to the other side. You've got key ignition. The lights would change, so the headlights. But look at this. On the fuel gauge, it says gas. It doesn't say fuel. So there's really cool minor differences between these vehicles than your MB where it had like the stamped grille, the later version. You'll see there's no rear seat here. Tool compartments, you've got the little button here to open to these right here. Got Willys here on the back panel. We've got the pintle hook. We've got some Goodyear tires. Really cool, really early version. You can see the tailpipe right here. The tailpipe was a long, round pipe versus the pancake style. You can see these back here on the drive flanges, or well, not drive flanges, but it's the axle shaft. Really cool. So this is the one that was pre-Pearl Harbor. 2 weeks before Pearl Harbor happened, this MB was created. Really, really cool. And again, we're going to move across a number of vehicles when we do this. This is just beginning. And there's that crated engine that you saw in the previous video. All right, next, the Follow Me Jeep. Stay tuned, guys.